Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Wild Badger 40V cordless leaf blower and 20V cordless telescopic pole saw. You can get the cordless leaf blower on Amazon for about $135. Check out the link in the description. The leaf blower comes with a 40V battery, a charger and a user manual. When charging the battery, make sure to push it all the way in, otherwise it won't charge. The leaf blower works pretty good. It has a turbo function for extra power. Unfortunately, it doesn't have as much power as my corded leaf blower. What I don't like is that you have to push the power button all the time, otherwise it won't work. I would prefer an on-off switch. I still prefer this leaf blower over my corded leaf blower because it's just more convenient without a cord. You can also get the cordless pole saw on Amazon for about $100. The link is in the description. Before you can use the pole saw, you have to assemble the bar and chain. Assembling is not too difficult and only takes a few minutes. The pole saw doesn't come with any oil, so you have to get some bar and chain oil. Check out the link in the description. The pole saw works pretty good and makes it easy to maintain the trees in my backyard. So if you are looking for a cordless leaf blower and a cordless pole saw, I would recommend the Wild Badger 40V cordless leaf blower and 20V cordless telescopic pole saw. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about these products, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.